of Summit Motorsports Park, Mr. Bill Bader. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Hey, listen, July 4th is coming up. Remember to love this country, and if you don't, get the hell out of it.
Tickets are on sale now for NHS 2021. Head on over to hiddenmotorsports.com to get yours today. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Hidden Motorsports YouTube channel. Today we got a special event planned for you guys. We actually rented out Norwalk Raceway track over in Norwalk, Ohio for an entire day. It is Sunday, May 16th. What this is just started out as a track rental. We basically have the track for the entire day. We got 6 hours of hot track time during that day that we can use for any type of racing that we want. This basically was just going to be a little track rental between us and a few of the local people, but we decided to test the waters and kind of turn it into an event. Now when I say event, I'm not thinking anything like big as Cleats and cars or anything like that right now. So what we're going to do is some drag racing, some roll racing, and then once the racing's over, we're going to be doing some pit bike racing and then some RC car racing. The gates are going to open at 10 a.m. and we're probably going to close them up sometime after 7. It's not really set in stone yet because we have the track for the whole day. We can close it as late as we want. Registration is open right now at hiddenmotorsports.com. It's $100 per racer, $10 for spectators. You can go ahead and buy your racer's ticket and that gets you in right now for the event. Some people think that $100 is a lot to go racing, and it's really not if you consider that we are limiting it to 75 drivers and you should be able to get 3 or 4 passes per hour. So if you multiply that over 6 hours, you're going to get like 24 runs if you want. Now I know most of us with our little race cars here, we don't really trust them to do 24 runs. So most of us might do under 10. I'm sure Klaus will not run more than 6 or 7 times if he lasts that long. So it's actually a good deal for your money. You're basically going to be able to run as much as you want. The track goes hot at 11 a.m. There'll be a short driver's meeting right before that, and then we'll have drag racing for about 5 hours going on. You can test and tune, you can grudge race, you can kind of do whatever you want to do for that. Then right at 4 o'clock we will start roll racing, and there'll be a little driver's meeting right before that. It's basically like any of the roll racing that you've ever seen before. We're going to be backed up to the billboard of the track. Left lane will set the pace, do about a 40 roll, 35 roll, and then when the starter hits the button, it'll be on a pro tree. The lights will flash yellow, then green real quick, and then just go. First one down wins. Now there's no purses or prizes for all this. It's just a test and tune, and it's just for everyone to have fun, and we're going to test the water for events. That's why we're doing little stuff like pit bike racing after that, RC car racing. We will have Pappy Bob's barbecue food truck there. We're doing a few things with the local enthusiasts around the groups, like UT Tuners Club will be there. We might have a couple vendors there just to test the waters, because we also rented the track September 12th in the fall time, and we want to see if we can start making these bigger events. So if you're interested in joining, you can just come out. You can go to the gate by 10 a.m. on that Sunday, and then you can go ahead and just come in and watch. $10. If you want to race, registration's already starting to fill up, so you should probably buy your racer's ticket sooner than later. And just come out and have a fun time. We're just going to see what it's like, and then hopefully turn this into big, huge events down the road. And now for Klaus. Klaus, we're going to be pulling the engine again. Yes, pulling it again. Not because it's broken or anything, but because of the track rental. We have Cleats and cars coming up. I don't really trust this 500,000 mile engine to last all those events, and Cleats and cars to our event is just 2-week difference, and I just don't want to have something blow up and not have any time to do that. So from Texas Speed, we're actually getting a nice 6.0 that's fully built by them, all the good stuff with it, and then that way we should be able to run about 1,500 horsepower, maybe safely, kind of. We'll see, but that way we'll know we'll just have a nice strong motor. There's nothing wrong with this Junkyard 6.0 right now. Some of the parts are already spoken for. A buddy's going to be getting the block, another one's going to be getting the heads. I'll probably sell the rods and pistons out of it just to replace some of the money. But that should be done over like the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're not really rushing that. We've had a lot going on. I've had a lot going on with the baby room and all kinds of stuff that's going along with having our son. But other than that, it's just a good time, guys. A lot of grinding, a lot of work. Everything like this takes a lot of work and time and patience to get done. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll go ahead and we'll see you next time. Alright guys, it's time for some merch. We are stocked up and ready to go. We sold out a couple of weeks ago out of everything, but we have it all stocked up right now. First, we have our Hidden Motorsports employee shirts. They're small to 3XL. They got the company logo on front, name and address, all that good stuff on back. You've seen us wear them all before. Then we have our Klaus Barbarian shirts that Elite Designs and T-Shirt Labs made for us. You saw those all over at Cletus and Cars. The entire team wore them. They're absolutely amazing. Love these shirts. Hoodies are back in stock as well. We got this nice blue one that I'm wearing, and then we also have a nice gray one. I should be posting up all these pictures alongside of it somewhere around here. Those are back in stock. They're great. Hats. We got 4 or 5 different types of hats. Red, gray, blue, black, everything. Got all the hats. Decals. There are 5 different types of decals. Go ahead and pick whichever decal you want. Also, from now until the end of the month, every order comes with free burnt rubber. That's right, real, legit burnt rubber from Cletus and Cars. It's all over Klaus. We have a lot to spare, so yeah, we'll throw in some burnt rubber in there for you. But hey, help us out, guys. Support us, because all this money just helps going back into Klaus and other projects and other things that we're going to do in the future. Let's get back to the action.